The Yuantai Derun production lines are 500 by 500 square steel tube line, 300 by 300 square steel tube line, and 200 by 200 square steel tube lines have achieved electronic control automation from type change to finished products, making it the most advanced high-frequency welded steel pipe production line in China. The group currently has 65 black high-frequency welded pipe production lines, 26 hot-dip galvanized processing production lines, 8 photovoltaic support production lines, 6 zinc aluminum magnesium pipe production lines, 3 spiral welded pipe production lines, 2 production lines for zinc aluminum magnesium strip steel, 1 JCOE 51420 double-sided submerged arc welding pipe production line, with an annual output of 5 million tons and a saturated annual production capacity of 10 million tons.